Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to change Gmail address, username and truth. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gmail, tap on this. You can see that your Gmail. Next, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on manage your Google account. Scroll down little bit. Now go back to your home screen. Go to your Play Store apps. Tap on this. Next, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on setting. You can see here 4 options. Tap on general option. Next, tap on account and device preference option. Tap on this. Next, tap on change contact email. Enter your email name. Next, tap on save option. You can see that your message option and check your message. Tap on your Google SMS. You can see that your check activity. Tap on this. Now go back. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.